I hit the button accidentally then, but welcome. I'm about to do a live. So thanks for joining me. I'm Fiona Fernandez. Here I am. And I got a couple of things from Stampin Up recently, and I didn't do an unboxing, so I thought I've got one to open down there, another little packet, so I thought I got out the other bits. So, just so you know, the Close to My Heart's products, so if it's got Close to My Heart on it, at the moment they're 30% off. So if you have a look in the website, you'll see that. So that's pretty exciting. So I didn't get mine at 30% off because I bought them last week or the week before. Oh well, that happens. But it's really cool when they do put a special on. Turn my sound off over there. Don't hear two of me, do we? Just switch that off. Okay. So this is, if you don't know me, I actually do a live on Wednesday nights, and a few weeks ago I did a live doing a page. I'll just find it for you. And I started doing a second page, and then I thought, no, I need to get the rest of the other bits of the kits. So this is what I did. Hang on, there's bits everywhere because I've started using them on the other page. So this is what I did in my live a few weeks ago. So if you look up my videos, and I put everything into YouTube as well. So that's a scrapbooking page. Hard to see here because I've got the box on top of there. But that's what I started with. I went away recently and went to Lake Tahoe, so I haven't done a little descriptive thing yet. I thought I'd do that once I do the rest of my page. And then I started doing a second page because I had some of the paper, and that's as far as I got so far. But what I did was I bought the stamps, these stamps. Oh, hang on, get that in view. And these are in very slippery bags. So what I ended up buying was the whole coordinating cardstock, Lake Life two-tone cardstock. So that's got, and these are the ones that are on sale right now. It's very timely. Put them on sale. Just pull them out and show you. Onto that packet, it's a bit slippery. Wobble it a bit. So it's got all these colours. So it's got one tone on one side and the other side's a bit darker. So they're all like that. So you see the two tones? And then you've got the green. Yeah, so they've all got two tones to them. Try and get it so you can see them. They're really handy if you want to rip them as well. They come up very well. So I got that. And then I also bought the paper packet and sticker. So you'll notice in some of the things on the website, if you're looking for the scrapbooking things, sometimes they'll have the paper by itself, which is what I had bought, a packet of paper without the sticker. But if you want the stickers, you've got to buy the packet that says paper packet and sticker. And there's a few other ranges as well, other pictures. So make sure you pay attention to that if you want the sticker sheets, because you just get a little bit extra in there. So that comes with, I haven't opened these ones yet, but they are on sale until stocks last, so trying to move stock. So that's got a whole sticker sheet, and then you've got all that paper in there. If you buy the kits all together, then it has a bit more in it as well. So just keep your eye on that. Some of the pictures, I haven't found a lot of pictures in there. You've just got to know to look for the names of things. So there's the little stamps that come with that one. So I'll use them on my thing. Now, what have I got in here? Something to open. Oh, it's fun opening. Like Christmas every week. This used to come in boxes, but this one came in a packet. I've got to try and get into it. Here we go. I got the edge of it. I think these are the stamps I bought in a sale. recently. They had a stamp sale. Yep, there's Simply Said. I said I was going to get that. Here it is. Woohoo. Just really like the scent. Oh, really waiting to use this one. Yeah, I really like that. Oh, Fragrant Forest. I was hoping this would arrive. I've got a card class on Sunday and we're doing cards with trees. And I thought, oh, I really want to get that stamp by then. So we can play with that too. So these was just some of the stamps that were on sale last week. It's a block on one. It'll be good to make some doggy cards. And I really like that. That is such a beautiful background. That's good. So these stamps are big stamps like this. So they fit on the biggest block. And sometimes I just use them on the table, like on my glass mat, upside down. You'll see if you see any of my videos. Sometimes do that. And I put the paper and the cardstock onto it. So I did another little video this morning and I put some Wink of Stella. I Wink of Stella in my starter kit special page. Look, isn't that pretty? So you can do so much with Wink of Stella. You don't have to just be making cards. If you're making invitations for someone and you want to snazz it up a bit. So there's my QR code if you want to join my team and get a starter kit this month. They're on sale, like you'll get extra products. Wink of Stella in it. Okay, now I didn't get a lot in this one, just a few little bits, but I did get some more of the kits. So this is the birthday sparkle kit. Now, I haven't actually opened one of these, and because I sell them on my stall, I don't open them all to show everything, because what I do is I print a little picture to put on there. So I think that one's in plastic, so because they're in plastic I won't open them. Buy Your Side kit. There's another one. I'll look them up in a second on my phone for you. And I've got, see, some of them do open like this because they've got extra pieces in them. So this is the rustic, under the bottom of it, if it opens like that, rustic Christmas countdown kit. I just thought it'd be good to have one of those for sale again on the table. But they're great if you want to have friends over and make it, or, you know, the kids. So it makes up a whole panel. You get all the pieces in it. Here's the picture. That's what you make. So it's got all the pieces in there and all the pegs. There's the pegs to make those. And I've got another one, so I'll have two for sale on my stall when I have my next stall. What else did I get? Juicy adhesive backed element embellishments, because they're so pretty. And the last one went to one of my team members who won the team challenge. Now these are for my class on Sunday. So these are transparent adhesive back dots, and they've got different colours. So there's another colour. We've got 4 colours. Yep. There. You can ask me what the colours are, aren't you? It doesn't say it on the packet. It says it on the website though. So we've got Blackberry Bliss. I can't remember which one. That's Garden Green, and that was that clear one. And I think that was Lemon Lime. Lime Twist. Off the top of my head. And some more of this beautiful sheer ribbon, just because it's beautiful. That's why. Got another one down here that's open. Looks like this. Look at that. That is so beautiful, that ribbon. It's really good for tying bows in. It's just nice and firm and soft at the same time. Look at that. They're so easy to use. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty ribbon. Really pretty ribbon. Right, let me just find you these. Just put that down there. Find you this one. Buy Your Side kit, because I don't want to open the packet. I'll just go and find you one of those online. Just waiting for it to come up. So don't forget it's 30% off kits as well this month. So if you go into the kits collection, you will find all these things. So if it tells you if they're unavailable, and what have I got here? By Your Side. I think it's the one with the animals in it. By Your Side. Here it is. It's that one. It's got dogs and cats in it. I just thought it was a nice kit to have for people to, I think it shows us the stamps. There we go. That's what's in it. Oh, hi Dooney, welcome. It's cute. I haven't used it before, but it's a nice little set. So you can buy them straight online from my shop. If you're a customer, you can just log into the FionaFernandez.StampinUp.net and then click on Shop Now, and it'll take you to the shop. And the other one was, what's the other kit? This one is called, I'll leave that there so you can see it, Birthday Sparkle Kit. And I'll probably be using one of these if I haven't sold them on my next card and cover, which I've set for the 16th of November in Pyrmont. So I'll try and get close to that, because that one is actually quite sparkly. It doesn't show as well on here, but I've seen someone using it and it's quite got, you know, the gold is quite, you know, bright and really shows up. There's the stamps. Happy Cake Day. I like that. I've got another stamp set that says eat cake, let's eat cake. Love it. So that's the website. So basically if you're coming in to shop, you just go in there, create yourself your own account so you can keep a record of what you've bought, and also choose me if you can't, if it doesn't show as, if you haven't gone through one of my links. So on my weekly live I've got a host code every week, and well, that's over there on my desk, but it's on my website as well. But you can just go find a demonstrator like that and type in my name, Fiona, and this is if you're in Australia, when I come up there, Fiona Fernandez, Pyrmont, and you'll see my face, and then it shows up the top that you're shopping with me. Okay, so that's my unboxing for today. If you've got any questions, just pop them in the comments and I'll contact you or send me a message, and I'll catch you all again next time. Ciao.